Okay, today I'm going to show you how to upload your vocabulary card to the Rockhopper Moodle and into a glossary where we will vote and choose which vocabulary cards we think are best representative or are the best ones, and those will get uploaded to our Hall of Fame. So make sure you have Kidspiration open, both the text and your illustrations finished. In Firefox, you're going to go ahead and go to our family room. You notice we have the Hall of Fame here, which is where all the vocab cards that we choose will go. And every week you will see a vocabulary glossary where you will upload the words for that particular week. In this instance, I'm going to go ahead and do lethargic, so I'm going to go to the vocabulary glossary for last week. I've got what I would like you to make sure you have within the entry. Scroll the bottom and you'll see add a new entry, so we'll click on that. And at the bottom you see a couple of windows open that are a little confusing. So for concept, this is just where you make sure you put the actual word lethargic. And for categories, it's part of speech, so it's adjective. And we're pretty much done with that. We won't be using keywords for now. I may come up with a use for that later on. Once you have that, you can scroll back and highlight what you need to make sure you have. I'm going to start using the keyboard shortcut, so I'm not going to illustrate everything. I'm going to be using Cut or Command X, Copy or Command C, Paste or Command V, and Select All or Command A. Those are the commands I'm going to be kind of going around, and I'll let you know, but I'm not going to be going up to the menu anymore. And so in this instance I'm already there, so I'll go ahead and do Command C, which is copy. So I've got my text, click inside the box, Command V, paste into. I'm going to go ahead and fix this up. So part of speech, put a P, go to the end, put a colon. In this instance it's an adjective, so that's fine. Dictionary definition, we'll go ahead and fix that up. And dictionary definition. Once you've done this a few times, you can go ahead and type this out. Just be careful about spelling and things like that. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to my Kidspiration card, and I need my dictionary definition. I'll select it. Make sure I get everything. Command C for copy. Go back to Firefox. Command V for paste into. Dictionary definition's done. Now I need my sentence. So I'll go ahead and put S and then put a colon at the end. And now go back to Kidspiration and highlight my sentence. Command C for copy. Back to Firefox. Space Command V. Now I have my sentence. So make sure I have my period at the end. And we don't need this. This is just letting you know. Make sure you have a good illustration with caption. And that will be the last thing we'll enter. So now we're all set. So now I'm going to show you, we're going to go back to Kidspiration. And what you need to do is, we only want our illustration and we're going to export it. So I want you to choose by clicking on it and then hold down the Shift button and choose every graphic that you want to be part of your illustration. Once you have that, do Command X to get rid of it to make sure it's exactly what you want. Command X. Oops, forgot the glass. So let me go and paste into, choose the glass. There we go. Now Command X. Now I have everything, but it's in the clipboard. It's not gone. Now I'm going to do Command A, select all, and hit the delete button, and then Command V. So now I only have what I want as my illustration. We'll go up to Export and JPEG, Save, and we'll just make sure we give it a different name, PIC. Just 3 just to be safe. So we'll save it under JPG, which is the JPEG format. We'll save it. And now we're done with Kidspiration, so we can quit. And no, I don't want to save this. I want my original card. So now at this point you go to the Browse button at the bottom, which is an attachment, and where you will attach your picture to the card. So go through and we need to find lethargic. Yes, there it is. Open it. Now it's there, and then we save changes. Now I've noticed when I've been doing this, sometimes the illustration's on the left, sometimes on the right. Go ahead and continue. The good thing is that I think it'll be okay in either place because the text should still be lined up. So as you can see, it ended up on the left side here with the text here. So either way is okay. I think it'll be fine. You'll have this entry is currently hidden. You have 30 minutes to change it or delete it. So if you want to delete, just hit the X button. Otherwise, it will sit in the glossary waiting for me to approve it for posting. And that's all there is to it. Okay.